Deciding on your first foray into the electric mountain bike world can be overwhelming. Two prominent contenders in the budget-friendly space are the Specialized Turbo Levo alloy and the Trek Rail 5. Both offer a compelling blend of capability and affordability. But which one reigns supreme? Let's delve into a detailed comparison to help you make an informed decision. The Specialized Turbo Levo boasts a clean, integrated design with the battery seamlessly tucked within the frame. This translates to a sleek look that some riders might find more appealing. The Trek Rail 5, on the other hand, has a more traditional E-MTB aesthetic with the battery mounted externally on the downtube. While both bikes prioritize function over flamboyant flourishes, the choice between a streamlined or a more typical E-MTB look boils down to personal preference. The Specialized Turbo Levo has its display built right into the top of the frame. This makes it easy to see how fast you're going, how much battery you have left, and to control the motor. There's also an app called Mission Control that lets you fine-tune the motor settings and track more info about your ride. The Trek Rail 5 has a more traditional display attached to the handlebars. It's still easy to use and shows you all the important stuff. Both bikes come with basics like lights and places to attach water bottle holders or other accessories. This lets you set up your E-MTB just the way you like it for convenience and safety. Geometry influences how a bike handles on the trail. The Turbo Levo has a slightly longer reach, which provides greater stability at high speeds and on descents. This can be useful for taller riders or those who value confident handling on difficult terrain. The Rail 5 counters have a flip chip, which is a small movable component that allows you to convert between high and low geometry settings. The high option provides a more agile feel for tough trails, and the low setting prioritizes stability for quick rides. This adaptability could be a deciding factor for riders who want mobility on various terrains. The Turbo Levo comes equipped with a custom-tuned motor. This motor is known for its smooth and powerful assistance, making climbing even the steepest inclines a breeze. The motor's intuitive response feels natural, adjusting power delivery based on your pedal stroke for a seamless riding experience. The Trek Rail 5 utilizes a Bosch Performance Line CX motor, renowned for its reliability and robust power output. This motor provides ample torque, giving the Rail 5 a slight edge in terms of raw climbing power. Both bikes offer different strengths. Specialized focuses on a refined, natural feel, while Trek prioritizes pure power. Regarding battery life, the Specialized Turbo Levo takes the lead with its massive 700 watt-hours battery. This translates to longer rides before needing to be plugged in, ideal for those who want to explore further and conquer extended adventures. The Trek Rail 5 features a 625 watt-hours battery, still offering a decent range for most riders. However, if tackling long distances is a priority, the Turbo Levo's extra capacity might be a game-changer. Both the Turbo Levo and Rail 5 have good suspension forks to absorb bumps and make your ride smoother. The exact models might change depending on when the bike was made, but both will keep you comfortable on bumpy trails. They also have reliable gear systems with enough different gear options to help you climb hills and keep a good pace on flat ground. For stopping power, both bikes use hydraulic disc brakes. These work great in all kinds of weather, which is important for staying in control when you're zooming downhill. The brakes might be slightly different models, but both will give you the confidence to slow down or stop quickly when you need to. The Trek Rail 5 costs less than the Specialized Turbo Levo. It typically falls between $4,000 and $7,000, depending on the model and year it was made. This higher price is because it comes with a large 700 watt-hours battery, allowing for longer rides between charges. Plus, it includes a specialized motor designed to make pedaling smooth and easy. The Trek Rail 5 has become even more affordable, with prices ranging from around $3,500 to $5,000. Again, the exact price depends on factors like the model year. If you're interested in a great E-MTB but have a tighter budget, the Rail 5 is worth considering. The right bike depends on what matters most to you. If you want a sleek-looking bike with extra long battery life and a motor that makes every pedal stroke feel smooth, the Specialized Turbo Levo could be perfect. If you care more about getting a good deal, love the idea of a super powerful motor for climbing, and want to be able to adjust how the bike handles for different types of trails, then the Trek Rail 5 might be your ideal match. Whichever you pick, both the Specialized Turbo Levo and Trek Rail 5 are awesome ways to start your E-MTB journey without spending a fortune. They'll have you exploring trails and tackling new challenges with a smile. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comment below and let us know which one you like the most.